Hey kids, it's Mr. D here. How are you? I'm going to show you today how to use a app add-on to take notes on videos while you're watching them. And it's really a really awesome tool for you to use when you're asked to take notes on a certain video, while you watch the video. Instead of going back and forth between the video and something, you can actually do it at the same time. So the first thing you have to do is add the app to your drive. So you just go over here to New, and then More, and then Connect More Apps. Then you just type in VideoNotes and hit Enter. And the first one that shows up is this VideoNot.es. And then you just click Connect. Okay, it's going to check, and then it's going to ask if it should be the default. And for these types of files, you do want it to be the default so that you can go back and use them over and over. And then you click OK, and you're done. Now you can close this window and go back into New and open up VideoNote. Okay, so you just go to New, More, then VideoNote, and click on it. And it opens up and it looks like this. First, it's going to ask you to select an account and click Allow. You can't see the Allow on the video, but it's down here. Click Allow. And then what it'll do is it's going to give you a tutorial. So you copy and paste your video here. Got it. This is your note editor. Here's where you're going to write your notes over here. Got it. And you need to name your video. That's here. You can open previous videos, and this will show you the tour again, or if you have any questions. Okay, and you can switch on and off sync, which is the coolest feature I think in this app. And video notes are automatically saved on the Google Drive. And you can share it just as you can Docs and other things through Google Docs. Okay, so I think we're done. So click End Tour. Now I want to watch a video and take notes on it about the moon. So what you do is you just copy the web address, the URL of the video. Then you go back to your video notes file and you right click on that, or click Control V and you paste it in, and then you just click Load Video. Now all of a sudden the YouTube video that you want to take notes on, or any video that's on the internet, shows up here on this side. So now we're in the application, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name the notes. So I'm going to name this Moon Phases Notes. Okay, Moon Phases Notes, and I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to just scroll through the video, but once you play the video, if you pause the video, say I'm playing the video and I want to pause it right there, and I want to make a note that this is where there's a half moon. I come over here to the notes side of the application and I write in half moon, image. Okay, and then I hit Enter. And then I go a little further, I play it a little further, and it's going to show me a new moon. So let's say, okay, this is a new moon. New moon image. Now if you'll notice, next to my notes up here, it puts a timestamp. So let's fast forward a while. Let's say we're way over here now, and we're learning about, it's giving us, a crescent moon. So now at 1:54, it's describing a crescent moon. Okay, and blah, blah, blah. We can take notes all throughout the video. Now, the cool thing about this is if I want to go back and revisit where I took my notes, I just click on the timestamp here. Okay, So that's done. Those notes, wherever they occur, it's going to take you to that time in the video. So what you can do really is you can watch an entire video once, then you can go back and watch it again and pause it and take your notes. You can share your notes with your colleagues or your peers, and your notes are now saved on your Google Drive. See? So let's say that I closed this application. Let's say I closed it, okay? And I went to my Google Drive and I double clicked on this. It's going to open it back up with the video, okay? It just takes a little time. So it has your notes and it has the video. So you don't have to remember where the video was, and you don't have to remember where your notes are, okay? So this is a really effective tool, especially if you're watching a video on a lecture or a video on something that you have to pause it all the time and write stuff down. Or if you're just watching a video on how to do something or how to read something, you can just make notes over the course of the video. You know, I need to remember that this video shows how the moon reflects the sun. So I'm going to make a note of that, and I'm going to say moon reflects sun example. Okay, now it's time-stamped at 2:15, so I know that when I come back to this video, oh, I need to see that again. I want to look at that again. I'm going to click on the 2:15, and it's going to take me right there, and then I can play it, and it will show what happens. Oh boy, that was loud, wasn't it? Whoa, that was a little wake-up call. Okay, so this is a great application, VideoNote.es, and it's a wonderful addition as a learning tool for you to be able to take notes on videos. Okay, have a good day. Great job.